Setbacks are not failure, they're feedback. It's really something to think about. And I know you've probably heard something like that before. And in fact, it's this week's new money belief. I want you to think about this because we always think if I lose money, I lose an opportunity, the market collapses, I blew my paycheck, I don't know where this all went. We think it's this whole horrible thing. But a setback does not define your trajectory. For instance, these things happen in life outside of finances too. Think about this. I had surgery at the end of January, and they told me 6 weeks recovery, 6 weeks. Well, the stitches came out in what, 7 to 10 days. About a week later, I thought I can do things. I couldn't pick up stuff before because I had stitches. The sutures are all out now. So hey, I can do things. I can bend over and I can reach up and I can lift. No, I couldn't. That was the thing. No, no, no. I didn't sit down and go, oh my God, I failed. The surgery's ruined. I'm going to have it all over again. I didn't do that. Instead, I still tried. I'm not going to say that I immediately went, oh, I'm just going to sit back and relax and eat bonbons. No, I didn't do that. I still tried little things. But, I was so tired. And even sitting up for long periods of time was difficult. So I notified the people in my membership group, and they were like, don't worry about it, Bev. You've given us enough stuff for us to watch and watch replays. Don't worry about it. Take the time off. Recuperate. And that's exactly what I did. After they said it, admit I'm a little hard-headed sometimes. But after they said that, I was like, they're right. I have to recuperate. I'm no good to them if I'm sitting here like this trying to have a live, or talking to them. I'm no good trying to create if I'm so tired, all I want to do is sleep. And then when I try to get up, I'm like stiff as a board because all I've been doing is sitting for all that time, because I was supposed to be up and moving. So anyway, these things happen in life as well as in just our finances. They happen in both. And, and I know it's sad, and I was part of this culture, but children, when they fail a course in school, they get a failing grade on something, that's what they start to think. Oh, I'm a failure. I can't do, I can't do, I can't do. And so if you have little ones at home, or you teenagers even, or grandchildren, remind them that doesn't mean they can never do it. It's feedback to tell them how to improve it. So whenever you feel that setback and you're starting to feel like a failure, or you're starting to feel failure, and failing something doesn't mean you're a failure. It just means you didn't do great in that one thing. So when you're feeling that way, ask yourself for the feedback, because it's not going to come naturally. It's not just going to, oh, this is feedback. It's going to take a little bit of time. So ask yourself, what did I learn from this? What is this trying to teach me? Did I just see a weakness that needs to be strengthened? Or did something just strengthen? Because I know with me, it did strengthen that I told my membership what happened, and that I was not feeling up to it. Ask yourself those questions and ask yourself, do I need to rest? What's the most loving thing I can do for myself right now, so that I can find the win in this? So, if, by the way, you're wondering about my membership, just DM me membership and I'll send you all the details, or we'll talk even better. Secondly, I would love to know, what are you coming back from right now? What's the comeback that you're building right now? Give it to me in the comments. I'd love to hear it, and I'll talk to you later.